Hello Kauai, here's our COVID-19 briefing from Team Kauai for Friday, November 27th. Happy Aloha Friday. I hope you all had a wonderful Thanksgiving. We've seen an unprecedented surge in new infections on our island, most of them associated with resident or visitors who traveled. Today we have 2 new cases. They include 1 adult resident and 1 adult visitor. Both are travel related and 1 individual had a negative pre-travel test. This brings our number of active cases to 18 with 127 cumulative cases. Kauai's cumulative case count includes 112 confirmed locally, 1 probable, and 14 positive cases diagnosed elsewhere since they received their positive results after arrival. There are now 95 individuals in Health Department directed quarantine. All active cases are in isolation and there are currently no hospitalizations. The Kauai Police Department and the National Guard are tracking approximately 1,500 individuals in travel-related quarantine. For additional information on our COVID cases, please visit kauai.gov/COVID-19. We enjoyed many months of very low case numbers, but as we reported on Wednesday, since the start of Safe Travel's pre-travel testing program on October 15th, Kauai's case count has more than doubled, and the vast majority of those cases are travel-related. However, we are now seeing a significant increase in community transmission. We managed to avoid sustained community transmission on our island prior to October 15th. A single pre-travel test has not adequately protected our island from the rapid spread in virus. As a result, on Monday we proposed Rule 23, which seeks the governor's approval to temporarily opt out of the Safe Travels program and return to a full 14-day quarantine effective December 1st. We have received word that Governor Ige is likely to sign and approve Rule 23. This means effective Tuesday, December 1st, all travelers must quarantine for 14 days, regardless of any pre-travel test result. This mandatory quarantine applies to all travelers from the mainland, inter-island, residents, and visitors. Residents are allowed to quarantine at home, and visitors have the option of staying at one of several enhanced movement quarantine properties, also known as resort bubbles. Approved bubble resorts allow guests to access the full property and utilize amenities such as restaurants and pools. Approved bubble resorts includes the Cliffs at Princeville, Hilton Garden Inn, Koakea, Kukui'ula, and Timbers. 3 other resorts have bubble programs under review. We will announce new options as they are approved. Additionally, the county's modified quarantine program would remain in place for critical infrastructure workers, essential medical travel, or other special circumstances. To apply for a modified quarantine, please visit www.kauai.gov/COVID-19 and click on the Modified Quarantine Request button at the top of the page. One of the reasons for our increased caution is to allow us to remain in Tier 4 on our Kauai business and recreational guidelines. That is the least restrictive level and allows youth sports to continue and businesses to stay open. As our cases continue to rise, it makes no logical sense for us to further restrict our on-island activities when that's not the current source of infection. The safest measure we can take at this point in time is to take a temporary pause from the Safe Travels program while the rest of the nation works to get the spread of COVID-19 contained so that we can gladly welcome back travelers when the risk can be better mitigated. To view the Kauai COVID-19 tier tracker, post-travel testing information, and general information, please visit kauai.gov/COVID-19. For more State of Hawaii case tracker and information on the Safe Travels program, please visit hawaiicovid19.com. We have seen several new cases of COVID-19 in the Kekaha area in recent days, so our district health office, in partnership with the county, will be holding the free community COVID-19 testing opportunity this Saturday, November 28th from 9 a.m. to noon at Kekaha Elementary School. This will be a drive-up testing event. All ages are welcome and there is no charge. There is no online pre-registration for this testing event. If you live, work, or go to school in the Kekaha area, please take advantage of this free testing opportunity. Again, that's tomorrow, November 28th from 9 a.m. to noon at Kekaha Elementary School. Pre-registration is not required. Kauai County, in partnership with the Hawaii State Department of Health, is providing free COVID-19 community testing at rotating sites every Sunday to the end of the year. We have tested more than 1,100 residents to date and have discovered 5 positive cases so far. These tests are available to all residents for free, including those who are uninsured. The next testing site will be this Sunday, November 29th at Vidina Stadium. Testing is available every Sunday from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. through December 27th. Participants should register in advance at kauai.gov/test. Bring your registration confirmation and an ID to the testing site. Test results are expected in 3 to 5 days. Save at least 15 minutes of wait time by pre-registering at kauai.gov/test. But if you're experiencing symptoms and have health insurance, please contact your physician immediately. Do not wait for surge testing to be tested. If you receive a positive test notification from any of the community testing programs, please immediately call the Kauai District Health Office at 241-3387. The health department will assist you and your close contacts with ensuring that you take appropriate precautions to prevent spreading the disease to others. Health department staff will help with meeting your needs during the isolation and quarantine periods. For those who are visiting or recently returned home from mainland travel, post-testing is available on a voluntary basis. This program is free for residents. Please visit kauai.gov/COVID-19 and click on one of the post-travel testing buttons. To qualify for a post-travel test, you must have participated in the state's pre-travel test program. If you have not participated in the state's pre-travel testing program, there is no option to test out of quarantine once you arrive. For more information, please visit the post-travel testing sites at the COVID-19 pages on kauai.gov. There are still several food distribution programs underway on our island. The State Department of Education's Grab and Go School Meals program runs weekdays through Friday, December 18th. The program provides free meals to children ages 18 and younger. 1 lunch per child is provided. Please call your local school for serving times. The county and the 2 Kauai food banks are conducting the Kupa'a Kauai food distributions every week through the end of the year for food insecure individuals and families. Households can pick up food once per week, but must pre-register. Registration starts on Saturdays for the next week, and you're asked to register at least 48 hours before the distribution. Please be sure your email is correct. To register or for distribution times and locations, please visit kauai.gov/COVID-19 and click on the green button that says Food Distribution. We thank you for understanding the role you play in mitigating the spread of COVID-19 on our island. Please continue to stay home as much as possible. Refrain from social gatherings or public outings. If you must interact with people outside of your home, maintain a distance of 6 feet of separation and wear a mask, if at all possible for you to do so. Remember, my mask protects you and your mask protects me. It's a sign of respect and aloha. Do not leave home if you're sick unless you're seeking medical attention, and then only after calling your doctor first. Wash your hands frequently and clean surfaces often. Stay informed and connected during this time of social distancing. We'll continue to post updates on our official County of Kauai Facebook page or on our Kauai Emergency Management Agency page at www.kauai.gov/COVID-19. The Centers for Disease Control is also updating its website regularly. For more information, please visit coronavirus.gov. Not everyone has internet access or follows the news, so please help to keep your loved ones informed. Be kind, take care of one another, God bless, and aloha.